There are 4 types of thinking. This is the most important thing that I want to teach everybody. There are 4 types of thinking. Your mind works in 4 ways. Disastrous thinking, negative thinking, positive thinking, and miraculous thinking. 4 types of thinking. Supposing you are riding a car first time in the downtown, if you think that I am first time going into the downtown with my car, it is definite that I will have an accident. Because first time I am going into the downtown, all by myself. If you adopt this kind of thinking, an accident will happen to you. Your accidents have been created by your disastrous thinking or negative thinking. First time I am going into the downtown, something may happen bad. And if you think that something may happen to bad, it will happen. Your thinking creates your realities. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. This is another great statement. As you think, so it becomes. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. 4 days global festival. Can we manage it? If you think, you cannot manage it. Negative thinking. No, we'll manage it. It will be wonderful. That is positive thinking. It will happen so. You create your own reality according to the type of thinking that you adopt. And there are 4 types of thinking. Disastrous thinking, negative thinking, positive thinking. I will go into the downtown and nothing will happen to me. And nothing will happen to others through me. So you go into the downtown, drive happily and come back happily. That is positive thinking. And there is the 4th type of thinking, miraculous thinking, which says that even though I am going for the first time downtown, all by myself, you watch the time, within 20 minutes I will go and come. Touch Charminar and come. Touch Lal Bagh and come. Within 20 minutes, you see. He may come back in 25 minutes, but yet that is miraculous thinking. Adopt miraculous thinking in every mind process. Miraculous thinking creates miracles. Positive thinking creates successes. Negative thinking creates failures. And disastrous thinking creates disasters. If you walk on water, you are definitely to drown. That is disastrous thinking. But Jesus walked on water. Why he did not drown? Because he is the master of miraculous thinking. What about us? Lord Hanuman flew in the air. If he can do it, why can't we do it? Milarepa did that. He flew in the air. Milarepa. If he can do it, why can't we do it? We can build big pyramids. Why can't we build pyramids? We can sing like Lata Mangeshkar or Bhimsen Joshi. Why can't we sing? Why can't we sing? Why can't we be like Mahavatar Babaji, who is living in the same body 20 centuries? Change your thinking from disastrous, from negative to positive and miraculous. Change your thinking. The way you change your class, you must change your thinking. That is spiritual science. Why don't you understand the grandeur of spiritual science? Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Muktabhimani muktohi. Baddho baddhabhimanyapi. Kim vadanti hai satyam. Ya mati sa gatirbad. Mati is mind. Gati is destiny. As you think, so is your destiny. So read the book Thinking and Destiny by Harold Percival. That book should be constantly on your bedside. Thinking and Destiny. See the 2 words. Mati and Gati. Thinking is Mati, destiny is Gati. Ya Mati hi sa gatir bhavati. As your mind is, so is your Gati. And your mind depends upon you. Not depends upon your environment, not on your parents. Depends upon you. You create your own reality through the type of thinking that you adopt. Let me again recap. 4 types of thinking. Disastrous thinking, negative thinking, positive thinking, miraculous thinking. I can live without food. I did live without food for 200 years in my past lifetimes. In one incarnation, I was doing meditation for 200 years. We can do whatever we want to do, given sincerity and given seriousness. These are the 2 things. Remember these 3 words. Sincerity plus seriousness is equal to enlightenment. In any field. Music or dance or science or technology or meditation or spirituality. Any field. Sincerity, plus seriousness is equal to enlightenment.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.